if you look in this little area, it's basically showing you my entries down at the bottom and then where I closed. I did two separate trades in this sense, and I'm going to go to a lower time frame just so you can see exactly what I was thinking as I was doing it. But basically right here you have this little pullback. So you got a low point, high point, price is pulling back. I'm expecting it based off fibs to continue up into this negative 20%. So that was the first trade. And then just so you can see the second entry, I'm going to swap over to TradingView because I feel like it's cleaner. But what I was looking at for the second set was basically, we got one candle, two, and then three. I was looking at that push and I was waiting for price to come back down and tap into the zone. It never did. You also have a little bit of a gap. It's a small one, but it's there. So let's get rid of the demand zone and the fibs because I was targeting this line here, which if you look back, it's the previous high point. I had a buy limit just right above it, and I ended up closing and saying like I didn't want to do that. I wanted to wait for the setup here, but I saw price kind of just like pushing up, and then finally, just like the movement of the candles, I was in that mindset. I was like, it's not coming back down, it's going to keep going. And I was just so caught up in that, all right, it's definitely going to come back and at least touch this. So I got in pretty much right near the high point, but with the ideology that you see this long wick forming already, and time was already kind of dwindling down to the last minute. So I got in, I placed the TP right here, so I got taken out automatically. If I wanted to sit there and let it fluctuate and, you know, potentially give a little bit back, I guess I could have, but the TP took me out immediately, so there was no time for that. But I say that to say that it wasn't a random trade. You know, there was definitely ideology in there. Ideally, I would have wanted to get in down here, which the opportunity was there, but I bitched out. And no, it's just, that's great. 1600 for this trade. I did some dumb shit. Let's see if we can see it. Positions, trades. This negative 1200. It's crazy. It's on 3 contracts too, but like I said, you gotta mitigate the losses. I gotta get better at that. I think that was here. I don't know the exact set of what I was doing when that happened, but this is basically just a video showing progression. I want to see if I can stay very consistent with doing well in trading, whether it's a big day or a small day, just consistently doing it every single day.